Hi students, we are going to see the 2 marks in business strategy, unit 4. So define diversification strategy. Diversification means different. So what is that difference that is to be implemented in the strategy? So like if you are having a company, it is going to concentrate only on a single kind of product. Then if there is any loss occurring to that product, if the sales is not going well, if the turnover is not good, then the company may suffer a loss. So in order to keep away from all those risks and to achieve some certain kind of growth, we are going for this diversification. So diversification in strategic management refers to a company's strategy of entering the new markets or industries distinct from its core business. Maybe it's doing a core business of like shop items, it may enter into the garment business, so like that. So if it is going to show some diversification, maybe it can reduce the risk and it can achieve the growth. So what are the types of diversification? So if you see, there is horizontal diversification, vertical diversification, concentric diversification, conglomerate diversification. So horizontal diversification, where we see the company entering into different kinds of product, so which is not like related to each other. So it is entering into different businesses that is different from its core business, that is called as horizontal diversification. Whereas vertical diversification, for example, if a company is manufacturing a car, so maybe if it is going to get the raw materials for it production, like it is going to get the tires as such from some companies. So when it is going to enter into production of tires also, then it is called as vertical diversification, where it can be above or it can be below the line. So above the line means it is with the raw material supply, etc. So and below means it is with the transportation, with the outlet, everything. So that is called as vertical diversification. Concentric diversification means when the company is going to enter into the market having the products which is related to each other, that is called as concentric diversification. Conglomerate is it is having unrelated products, that is called as conglomerate diversification. So the next question is, give a short note on strategic alliance. So if two companies is going to have some alliance, so that you can tell it as some strategic alliance. So on what condition it is having some tie-ups with some other company, maybe they can go for joint marketing, they can go for joint distribution, they can go for joint R&D. So those are the things that is called as the strategic alliance. With what strategy two companies are related to each other, or which is common to both the companies, that is called as the strategic alliance. In strategic management, strategic alliance is a cooperative relationship between two or more independent companies. Yes, it can be more than two companies also, to achieve the mutual goals, such as accessing the new market, sharing the resources, and it may be developing new technologies when it is going to be the R&D. So you can see the two examples below. So where here Starbucks and PepsiCo, they go for joint marketing and distribution alliance, and BMW and Toyota, so they go for joint R&D and technology sharing. Thank you.